Hey lifers, welcome back. In today's unboxing, we are going to be unboxing the Hicober USB Type-C card reader. It's a 3-in-1 card reader. As you can see, it is one SD card slot, one micro SD card slot, and one USB 2.0 Type A card slot. It's compact and it is affordable. It's a 3-in-1 USB card reader. Adapter 2.5 capacity. Adapter 2 TB capacity. Compatible for a MacBook, camera, Android, Windows, Linux, and other Type-C devices. And if you want to purchase it, it's a small fee, $12.59. Would you like to see a magic trick? Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Follow! There you go. Look at that. Sleek, compatible with most all devices. That's the slots there. The SD card slot, the micro SD card slot, and the USB 2.0 for all A ports. And I purchased mine, as I told you, on Amazon for a small fee of $12.59. That goes in your phone and all your devices. Isn't it beautiful? A nice silky space gray, and it features plug and play. Yes, just plug it in and share all your life moments on social media. And in 30 seconds, it can transfer up to 300 photos. So let me know if you're going to try it out right on Amazon or any of your digital stores, technology stores, devices, apparatuses for your camera. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time. Peace.